Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kylie and it's so lovely for you to be here today. The video today is an unboxing video for the new Apple Watch Series 5. Okay, maybe not, but it's a 4. It's the freaking 4. You tell I'm late. You tell how excited I am. Oh, I'm already like unboxing. Okay, so this is an unboxing video. So I literally just got it. I just got in the house from dinner and I saw the package. I was like, yes. So anyways, I'm unboxing it. So this is the packaging. And let's keep it going. I don't know what this is. The bottom. They have a cool little paper in the inside. Oh, look at me, about to break stuff. There's tabs on it. Just so excited. Aw, this is cute. That's cute. So, what is this? The band, I assume. It's long. It's like you open one thing to open another, to open another, to open another. Oh yeah, this is the band in here. Yeah. So let me take that out. So I'm about to put this together right now. Yeah. Whoa, wait a minute. There's so many pieces. I guess this is an extra. Oh, it's like a small and a large, I guess. And then the other part of it. I got white, but I'm gonna get another band. So then this is the box. Left the actual watch in it. Okay. Ooh, fancy. It's a little cover. So cute. Ignore my nails. I'm getting them done tomorrow. I'm just not gonna talk about it. Ooh. This is what it looks like. I feel like I'm about to break it. Let me put it down. Ooh. So I have the cord and a new plug. Okay. This is the face of a girl who knows she doesn't deserve nice things. The cord and a new plug. I never have too many of these. Oh, it's freaking lit. So I'm gonna try to put this. I don't know what this is, a medium to a large. What do I need? I don't know. I just use this one. I feel like my wrist is fat. I'm not even using the manual. I'm literally just popping this joint on. Oh, it doesn't have the little satisfying peel paper. How do I even know I just did this right? Oh, I guess I did. I'm smart. I need no directions. So this is what it looks like. Okay. How do I turn this joint on? There's literally only 2 buttons on the Apple Watch. Why am I so dumb? Oh, there we go. We got something. We got something. Ah! Hey, stop! And now we wait.
1 hour later.
I'm wearing a watch now. Low battery. Oh. Gotta connect it, and then I'll be right back. I've been playing around with my watch. I had to plug it up and stuff. I've been just setting it up because I had to use my phone. I'm so pressed. Oh my god. Oh my god. officially take off this one. First time putting this one on. I don't think I'm doing this right. I believe in myself. I believe that I can do this. So you put that. Why am I so dumb? Okay, that goes through there. Oh, and does this go through there? Is this right? I think it might be. There we go. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so cool now. Like, everybody gonna talk to me? Yes. What do you need? Oh, I think that it might be over there. So, if you are seeing this, you've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.